What is up, guys? So recently I was looking for some kind of 85 overall. I was looking for some kind of fixed lenses to add to my whole collection. I was using for a very long time fixed lenses before in my life. Then I switched to zoom lenses because, well, it was just easier for me. I was like a previously a photographer, then more like a filmmaker. Then I'm trying to do both things. Because photography pays well in United States, so why not? Let's do this. So fixed lenses will be f1.4. I don't wanna go f1.8. I wanna go the lowest possible number with aperture. So f1.4 is a good option. Although recently I bought a Viltrox lens 60mm f1.8, and I'm kind of surprised how this lens performs, build quality, everything is just superior. So I'm considering also 85 f1.8 from Viltrox if this will be a good option. I don't know yet. I'm researching. I found SIRUI. I know this company that they are releasing the literally new 85 f1.4. This is like all over the place. Wherever you will go, you have SIRUI everywhere. 14 elements in 9 groups. Yes, lens structure. Looks beautiful, I cannot deny. Really nice. The thing is with SIRUI that I know this brand from the tripods, and tripods are really good. That's why I know this brand very well. But as I said, from tripods, right? With the lenses, actually, I asked two of my friends. One is actually was using the SIRUI lenses before he was testing them, and he actually said that he had to reshoot one of the production he made because in like specific area he said that it was really broad. It was literally like plenty of uncontrollable, very strong flares, and it was unsharp, so he has to reshoot it and this part, and he was using like regular photo lens. Well, I don't know what to say. I ordered this. I'm a little bit scared because then, well, mostly how like brands are doing, they are advertising their stuff. Like if they are releasing something, they literally start sending before the release a date, you know, some kind of information. They are doing some samples and everything. SIRUI also made something, but they didn't send, you know, this lens to anyone for a review. So basically you have no informations. I did bought this lens. I sent the info asking about autofocus issues that I found on the YouTube. So this was the guy who actually started testing this lens, and he mentioned that this lens can be out of focus in some scenarios. It's also not the sharpest one, but it's sharp enough. But for example, here in this, like for me, scenario when someone is approaching you, a lot of like shots was out of focus, and this is something that I cannot have during like a wedding day. This is impossible. Mostly I'm using Sony lenses and Tamron, and I have to say Tamron is just literally sticking with the face and sticking with the eye so perfectly. This same Sony, right? You know this, that like if you put Sony lens on the Sony camera, it just works perfectly. And I never have like if I'm not using like wrong I don't know, shutter speed or you know overall the settings, it is impossible nearly to miss the shot. So here is like 50% missed or even more, 60. I know it's like, you know, average test, whatever. We have what we have. We have what the kind of SIRUI deliver in some way, because SIRUI gave this guy a lens for test. I did wrote to SIRUI. I asked them about this. They say they fixed it, but like, you know, you know how it is. They fixed it and they didn't fix it. So if this lens gonna have this kind of issues, this is impossible. If like you have f1.4 and this autofocus is even slightly out of focus, everything's gonna be blurred and everything's gonna look bad. So imagine if I, for example, I'm taking like 3 shots of the couple, for like I need 1 shot, right? And I'm taking like 3 shots to be sure. So if nearly 2 shots will be out of focus and I'm left with just 1 shot, if this 1 shot will be bad, I don't have a shot anymore. So it is a very, it will be very irresponsible if SIRUI released something like this. And I did ask SIRUI, hey guys, send me this lens for a review. And they like, you know, we were talking, but like, you know, not much happened. And they invite me to go to New York to the warehouse, and there I can actually test the lens. But you know, flying to New York, it's gonna cost me the price nearly all, and staying over there is gonna cost me the price of this lens. So it's actually, you know, pointless. The biggest mistake here, we have no info really about anything with this lens. I saw that DPI also was doing so. The SI pictures created something like this. The lens looks beautiful. We have an aperture ring, we have a bottoms IFL, and it's really rendered a very nice image, kind of like a 3D pop, if you know what I'm saying. But you know, nothing about autofocus. So the lens is probably, the optics is really good as far as I see right now, but we have no idea how autofocus is gonna perform, to be honest. So this is a bit scary thing. They also released some video here with the pictures. It's really nice. If this is gonna look this way, it's great lens. I believe in SIRUI, but if lens gonna be out of focus, it's just literally pointless, you know. And also we have two options, because for photographers maybe our AF gonna work kind of good, but for videographers not. So it's like, you know, I don't like that option, to, you know, be out of possibility to have autofocus working on one of the, you know, this professions. I need to have working AF for photo and for video. That's why I like TAMRON and I like original Sony lenses, but I like trying things. So, and I like SIRUI, so I will be very pleasant to actually get this lens. But if this is like thing that is gonna be problematic for me, and my couple is gonna want to suffocate me, then probably I will have to resign. Although the thing is, this is the biggest pain for me. They did not send this lens to anyone. Why? Why SIRUI? Why you didn't do this? I know you don't have it in America yet, but like you probably you have some you know, samples that you are testing and adjusting. As you said, you fixed the autofocus, so you have this lens somewhere, right? Or you don't have it. I don't know how do you operate, but well, we don't have much info. We don't have much info, guys. And the purpose of the video is, I will, if you are like pumped about this, and you would like to invest in this Aurora series, I will wait until someone will release really proper review of this lens. Not like a highlights film from SIRUI, really proper performance from the photography standpoint and video. Because right now we are just, well, I ordered it because I was like, yo, this is cool. I was looking from the perspective of the tripods I was ordering before, but they are great. But like with the lenses, I hear a lot of things. So this actually can be true, and probably they have this problem still with autofocus. So I just want to give you some heads up. If you want to invest in some kind of series, I think if I will not go with them, I will go with the whole collection of Samyang, because I think this is the most affordable and tested lenses. And even if they are giving you this a lot of like flares, they are very smooth and controllable. So yeah, I just want to let you know that something like this is released, but wait until someone do a really deep and proper review on this lens, because if you are using this professionally, then this can actually let you down by a lot. And just wait, let someone test it. Do not act like I did. I bought it so quickly. Right now I'm struggling. They don't wanna, like, you know, refund it. They try to find a way for me to keep it. but yeah, they give you like a discount, but like, you know, discount is a discount. You're gonna buy a lens that is, you know, problematic. It's not discount is not worth it. So that's basically about new SIRUI. Stay in the line, wait until someone releases something like a really good deep review. And that's basically it, guys. Like and subscribe, stay with me, links down below if you wanna support me to my equipment. I know I'm looking like an Iron Man with this light in the middle. Is a mic. And yeah, I will see you in the next one shortly. See ya!